Hi everyone, this is Ronald Rocky and welcome to my third unboxing and review vlogs for the Starbucks 2021 merch items. But this time, it's not a planner or organizer, but this is a Starbucks 23rd anniversary notebook. So join me as I reveal and unbox this exciting item from Starbucks. Let's go!
Hi everyone, this is Runner Rocky and welcome to my YouTube channel.
So, aside from the Starbucks 2021 planner and 2021 organizer, Starbucks also launched their other merchandise. And this is the Starbucks 23rd anniversary merchandise. And one of these items is this one, the Starbucks 23rd anniversary notebook. So, here it is. And this notebook also comes with this special Starbucks Philippines card. So this is how it looks like. Unlike the Starbucks planner and Starbucks organizer, this Starbucks notebook can be built for a price of 2,700. So here's the price. With the amount of 2,700, you will get this notebook set together with this exclusive Starbucks Philippines card. And this card already have a 1,000 loan that you may use to purchase items from Starbucks. So, without further ado, let's start to unbox and review this special Starbucks 23rd anniversary notebook. So, let's go! Just like the Starbucks organizer and Starbucks planner, the Starbucks notebook is sealed in a plastic. So, you can see this one. This is the notebook. The Starbucks 23rd anniversary label together with Starbucks, and this is the bag, or let me say a pouch, a leather pouch. Just like the pouch used in the Starbucks organizer. But this pouch is actually glossy and a bigger one, where you will put the notebook and at the back side, the slot for the Starbucks card. Alright, let me tour you to the details of this Starbucks notebook. Actually, the Starbucks 23rd anniversary notebooks come only in one design. So, this is the white one with the artwork of the Starbucks siren tail, and it was embossed in gold and gray with the Starbucks cup, just like this. And of course, this leather pouch comes in light gray, or should I say a light blue. So I think it's a combination of light gray and a light blue color in a glossy design. With this, just like an envelope. And is a leather. Let's tour.
Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick. Lots of toys, all for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, 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 down through the chimney with good Saint Nick.
And that's it, Karakers. As you can see, the Starbucks 23rd anniversary notebook is literally a notebook. The pages were all blank. You can't see anything. So, all blank pages. Where you can write anything, any notes. Even personal details were not included in this notebook. It's a plain notebook full of blank pages. So that's it. That is the major difference of it against the planner and the Starbucks organizer. So if you want to avail this, it's 2,700, which include this Starbucks Philippines card. And this card already had a 1,000 load. So basically, 1,000 plus 1,700 for this notebook and its pouch. Therefore, it's 2,700 if you want to avail for their 23rd anniversary merchandise. And that's it for this vlog. See you on my third Starbucks 2021 merchandise, because on my fourth vlog, I'll unbox and review the fourth design or the second design of the organizer, which is the pink wrap. So again, thank you for watching, Karakers. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and share our channel Runner Rocky for more updates, live stream videos, celebrity interviews, unboxing and reviews, and other interesting vlogs. See you on my next video. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching, Karakers. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button here in my YouTube channel Runner Rocky for more updates, vlogs, reviews, reactions, celebrity interviews, Thai BL news, and livestream videos. See you all.